How to create and customize barcode labels in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your barcode labels in RetailManager. To begin, go to the Tools menu and select Custom Barcodes. This will open the Print Custom Barcodes window. Next, click on the drop-down list in the Select Starting Label frame and choose the label type you want to customize. Click on Label Options to open the Label Options window. Now click the Add button at the bottom of the window. Type a name for your custom label in the Label Description field. Then, you can customize the following label settings. Hide Description. To hide the stock item description, in the Stock Description font frame, enter 0 in the Size field. Hide Price. To hide the stock price, enter 0 in the Stock Price font frame size field. Adjust Price Position. To adjust the price position, enter the number of centimeters from the right corner of the label in the Price Position field. Choose Date Format. To specify the date format, click the drop-down in the Date frame and choose the format you prefer. Hide Date. To hide the date, select Do Not Display from the drop-down menu in the Date frame. Adjust Date Position. To adjust the date's position, enter the number of centimeters you want to left justify the date. When setting up your barcode labels page margins, it's important to check both the printer's margin or unprintable area settings and ensure they are correct. This will determine where the printing starts. You can create any label size, whether you're using A4 sticker sheets or label printers. Adjust settings like page size, top and left page margins, label size, and label corner radius for a perfect fit. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Apply to save your changes. Finally, click Close to exit the Label Options window and save all your settings. Now you're ready to test and print your customized barcode labels. Make sure to double-check the margins and settings to ensure everything prints correctly. That's it. You've successfully customized your barcode labels in AAAPOS RetailManager. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.